Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, I started a series in which I teach you about how you can learn some easy skills and sell the skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So uh, in today's video, I will teach you how you can design magazines cover and sell this skill on Fiverr, and you can earn easy money. Like in a very short time you can earn good money, like $20 in 2 to 3 minutes. So I am going to Fiverr to check the demand, that is there is a demand of this skill or not. So I write here magazine cover. So as you can see, there are 797, means competition is very low and people are getting orders, more orders. Like, so I click on this gig. I will design professional eye-catchy magazine cover. Okay. In basic he charged only $5. In standard he charged $15, and in premium he charged like $25. And as you can see, he do not provide like source file. He provide in JPG and PNG. So I think it's he made these in Canva. So this is a good cover design. So I will teach you how you can create cover design like these magazine covers. So that's it. I am using Canva to design the magazine cover because it take less time. If I am doing this on Photoshop or any other software, it will take a lot of time and I do not want to make the video longer. So I write here magazine cover, and we are creating a fashion magazine cover. So I delete all of this because they do not provide us blank template. So here I write fashion, and let's see. So yeah, I like this one, but first we have to change the background image. So I write here model, and yeah, it's look good. Change the color in red and white. Yes. No, yellow is good here. So our magazine cover is ready. You have to get the details from client of name, magazine, and these details client can provide you, and you just have to copy paste these details here and your magazine cover is ready. So in this way we can create a magazine cover in 2 to 3 minutes, and you can also change the model if you want. So this is just for practice purpose, so I made this. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also earn and learn through it. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.